Hey there, thanks for watching another video review brought to you by ReviewHutch.com. There's a link right below this video that will take you to the products and page. Today we're going to talk about cougar dating secrets. Discover how you can quickly and confidently meet, attract, and date hot, sexy, mature cougars without coming across as a little boy. So if you want to know how to date older women and also how to attract them, this is the book for you. So with this book, you will learn how to spot hot and ravishing cougars preying on you in the bars and clubs and how to turn up the heat to draw them to you. Simple techniques to show how much of a gentleman you are, which will pay off at the end of the day. Tips on transforming yourself to become that sexy cup that attracts cougars the moment you step into the room. How to keep the heat up in your relationship and ensure your cougar remains interested and excited over you. Basic characteristics of cougar that you need to identify so as to better play the cougar dating game. What to do and what not to do when dealing with cougars. What you should prepare yourself before dating a cougar and why being decisive and committed is important in making your relationship work and much, much more. And it's just for $9.99. And it is also a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you are interested, kind of click on the link right below this video. And I do hope to see you on my next video review. Have an awesome day. Bye.